Assalamualaikum, dear students of level 7. This is your teacher Hina of FGS Campus 9. So, dear students, today we are going to we are going to come to know about two duas, a very important duas. First dua is dua of Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam. It is the dua which was asked by Yunus alayhi salam when he was in difficulty. So, first of all, I would like to recite it. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम ला इलाहा इल्ला अंत सुब्हानक इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़ ज़ालिमीन. Translation is, there is no God save thee, be thou glorified. Lo, I have been a wrongdoer. So now, before discussing its importance, I would like to tell you the background of this dua. Like why did Yunus alayhi salam ask it from Allah? Actually, when Yunus alayhi salam was preaching the particular group of people to whom he was sent, in past different prophets, they were sent to different groups of people for their guidance. So when Yunus alayhi salam was guiding his people toward the right path, toward the path of Allah, so most of them, they were not listening to him, they were not showing obedience to him. So finally he got disheartened and he left that place. And when he was on a boat, then he realized that I have done a wrong thing, because I did not wait for the command of Allah and I left that place without the order of Allah. So when he realized his mistake, so at that time the boat became heavy because he was with some other people as well. And then finally he decided that if I am going to leave this boat, अगर मैं ये boat छोड़ देता हूँ, ठीक है, so then the rest of the people, they will be saved from drowning into the water. वो पानी में डूबने से बच जाएंगे. So for this purpose he jumped into the water, and at that time he was engulfed by a big fish, right? A very large fish, and he was engulfed. I did not use the word he was eaten. No, he was engulfed by that fish, and then he remained in the stomach of that fish for 40 days. And at that time he continuously asked pardon from Allah. He continuously said that there is no God but you, I was at mistake, I have done wrong thing with me. So in this way he asked forgiveness from Allah. So it was the background, right beta? It was the background. Now I'm going to tell you its importance, right beta? अब जो बताने वाली हूँ, it will be your written work. Okay, so you will start like this. This dua has great importance in the life of a believer, because this dua was asked by Yunus alayhi salam when he was in trouble, when he was engulfed by a fish. So at that time, to get rid of that trouble, to get safety from that trouble, he asked pardon from Allah. And when he asked pardon from Allah, so finally Allah accepted his pardon and Allah Ta'ala forgave him. And then he got freedom from that prison. The prison क्या था? That he was in the stomach of the fish for continuous 40 days. So it is not a minor thing, right? So then you will write we can also recite this dua. We as a Muslim, we can also recite this dua whenever we are in a severe difficulty. Achha, you must remember this dua, it cannot be recited for a minor difficulty, for a very little difficulty, for a little problem. No. If you think that there is a huge problem, like if someone is dying, if someone is on a ventilator, the condition, if someone has suffered from a very massive accident, so at that time this dua can be recited for a severe difficulty, right? So at that time this dua can be recited, and you can ask help from Allah. Help can be asked from Allah after its recitation, and that's all, right beta? And then Allah will definitely help the needy person who is at the need of help at that night, who is at the need of help at that time, okay? So it was its importance. Now next dua we have dua of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. First I'm going to recite it. قال ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وَإِلَّمْ تَغْفِرْ لَنَا وَتَرْحَمْنَا لَنَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. They said, قَالَ, they said, our Lord, رَبَّنَا ظَلَمْنَا, we have wronged أَنفُسَنَا, ourselves. وَإِلَّمْ, if though, تَغْفِرْ لَنَا, forgive us not, وَتَرْحَمْنَا, and have not mercy on us, لَنَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ, surely we are of the lost. Now before discussing its importance with you, first I would like to tell you level 7, you have already studied about it in your previous class. You know very well that Adam alayhi salam and his wife Hawa alayhi salam, they both used to live in Jannah, but according to the command of Allah, they were not allowed to eat the fruit of a particular tree which was in Jannah. But due to the instigation of Shaitan provoked both of them, and finally because of that instigation they reached to that tree, and then they ate an apple from that tree, and after that both of them were sent down to earth. उनको जन्नत से निकाल दिया गया. So at that time Adam alayhi salam and his wife, they asked forgiveness from Allah, and they said that if you will not forgive us, then we will be destroyed. ज़ाहिर अगर अल्लाह आपको माफ़ ना करे तो फिर हमारा क्या ठिकाना होगा. अगर हम if we have done any wrong thing, right, and if we are not asking forgiveness from Allah, and we are continuous at a mistake, and if we are not asking for pardon from Allah, so it means that we will definitely go to hell. The fire of hell is waiting for us. And it is अगर अल्लाह ही आपसे राज़ी नहीं है, so it is the big loss, right बेटा. So they asked pardon from Allah basically. So it was its background. Now I'm going to tell you its importance, which you will write in your notebook. Okay, you will start like this. This dua has great importance in the life of a believer, as it was recited by Adam alayhi salam and his wife when they were sent down to earth. They recited it and asked forgiveness from Allah, so they were forgiven by Allah. So similarly, whenever we have done any mistake, so we should recite this dua. We must ask pardon from Allah for our misdeeds, because if we are doing anything wrong, so it does not mean that it does not mean that we are not actually doing anything wrong to ourselves. Yes, we are making our loss. हम अपना ही खुद का नुकसान कर रहे होते हैं whenever we are at a mistake, whenever we are doing any sinful activity. So it means that at that time we are in a complete loss. So अगर हो गया है, if we have done any mistakes, not an issue, because Shaitan is continuously with us. He is always provoking us to do all those things which are not the commandment of Allah. So after doing any sinful activity, it is compulsory for all the believers to ask pardon from Allah. So this dua is the best dua to recite and ask forgiveness from Allah, because if Allah will not forgive us, so we will be destroyed. Destruction will be our fate. Clear? Now your assignment. First of all, you will write the Arabic and translation of dua of Yunus alayhi salam. Then on the next page your question is, why should we recite it, मतलब कि हमें दुआ क्यों recite करनी चाहिए. So it means that you are going to write its importance. Then on the next page you will be writing the Arabic and translation of dua of Adam alayhi salam, and then again on the next page you will be writing the importance of dua of Adam alayhi salam. But before writing the importance and all the written material in your notebooks, students, it is compulsory for you to recite both these duas along with its translation. क्यों करना है? देखिए बेटा, I recited it for your ease. मैंने इसलिए recite कर दिया ताकि you become able to memorize it with correct pronunciation और correct accent. ठीक है, तो आपने इसे लाजमी पढ़ना है, because it is important for your नाजरा. Right students? So and both duas are very small. Very small. They are actually the part of Holy Quran. Both duas are present in Holy Quran, and they are the part of a verse. They are not a completely verse. जैसे ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता सुब्हानका इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़ ज़ालिमीन, ये कोई complete verse आपको नहीं दे दी गई, मतलब उसका एक छोटा सा part उठा के दे दिया गया. So it is very easy for you to memorize. So memorize the translation and Arabic, both things, and write the Arabic translation and importance of both duas in your notebook. I am sure each and everything is clear to you. If you still have any query in any of the dua, in any importance, you can ask from me through WhatsApp. Thank you so much, level 7.